Hey guys, it's Lucas. This is going to be another ceiling fan drawing video, and this is the Hunter ceiling fans. These are early Hunter ceiling fans that I know of. These aren't modern ones. These are like vintage Hunters that I know of. Anyways, let's start. Here's the 4-blade original, 5-blade original, Architect series, low profile, Infinity, Westminster, 4-blade studio series, 5-blade studio series, 6-blade studio series, Comfort Breeze, studio series remote, and Carlton, 5-blade summer breeze, 4-blade summer breeze, silent breeze, 5-minute fan, Stratford, and Oakhurst. Anyways, that is about it. Thanks for watching.